intro to us. What are we doing? Social media. पहला है why are we doing this? Social media.
But when we decide why are we doing this, Gursimran?
हमने 4-5 पॉइंट लिखे हैं.
तूने.
मेरे तो एक्यूरेट है ना, मैं झूठ थोड़ी बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ बोल. I'm giving you moral support.
Don't fucking say this, dude.
Okay.
You are 50% of this. How is 50% moral support? 50%
Moral support
is co-conspirator.
actually 80% for me. In my life, you think I would have been able to do anything if I wouldn't have gotten your moral support.
What the fuck is that only? Podcast का नाम क्या था?
That's just how we talk.
हाँ.
Make me so mad. Make me so mad.
स्टार्ट करें. 1 2 3 करें. क्लैप. क्लच है तो क्लैप तो दे. क्लैप देनी है सर?
Oh.
अबे क्लैप का मतलब अपने लिए अपलॉज नहीं. अबे एक मिनट का कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ अभी. कैसे करेंगे हम? इतने सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइज्ड हो तुम.
One more biscuit. अरे यार, they said you have started rolling.
इसने
So
चीनी
they
खा ली
said-
थी. तुमने चीनी खा ली है.
चलो यार,
प्रॉब्लम.
fine, clap.
ओके, शांति से लें अभी. फिर से प्रॉपर सीरियस रखो थोड़ा. हैं? ठीक है. ठीक है. हेलो एंड अच्छा एक मिनट तू इंट्रोडक्शन ले एक कैमरा में लेके.
I said it, no?
चल अभी प्रॉपरली करते हैं. ठीक है. चलो बोल.
Hello and welcome to.
दैट्स ओह वी शुड डू कि दोनों
यार, हम
साथ में
ऐसी
बोल
बात
रहे
करते हैं,
एक मिनट
हाँ।
साथ में करते हैं थोड़ा वो विजय वाली एंट्री. ठीक है. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू. फिर दोनों
ठीक है।
होस्ट साथ में बोलते हैं. ठीक है. चलो कैमरा. हाँ. हेलो एंड वेलकम. अबे साथ में बोलना.
Hello and welcome to. That's just how we talk. तूने कहा विजय वाले.
वाह.
Clap.
क्या पहला टेक दिया मैडम.
Thank
वाह
you.
वाह वाह.
I'm a one-take actor.
What is this
Yes.
podcast about, Ismeet, and why
Why
have
don't
we
you tell me,
started this?
Gulsimran? Please tell me this. I am also dying to know why we are doing this.
Okay, so the honest answer is I have been on tour. I told you this. I was on tour for the last 1 year and I was doing shows. And randomly speaking, after that you take pictures and stuff like that. तो बहुत सारे लोग आके photos वगैरह खिंचा रहे थे. And it was surprising the number of people who would come up to me and say, अरे you and your partner, they used to make they said you and your wife, but Smith doesn't like being said wife because she's woke, so partner. So a lot of people were like, you and your partner used to make vlogs together a couple of years ago. Why did you stop? And I was like, कौन हो तुम इतने वेले जो ये सब देख रहे थे?
And how cool, like हमने I think मुश्किल से 3 vlogs बनाए होंगे. अगर
नहीं
उन्होंने वो
ज्यादा
भी
बनाए
देख
थे.
लिए.
5-6 बनाए थे.
बनाए थे?
5-6
When
बनाए
you
थे.
were touring.
Yeah, when I was touring back then, and after
Yeah.
that I haven't even like toured that much, but it was quite fun. So that was very random and heartwarming because a lot of people were like, "Oh, make some content." Also, we were meeting a lot of people who would end up giving us, who would hang out with us, who would end up saying, "Ki, why don't you two start a podcast also?" I think that which was, I think personally bad
And it
advice.
has taken us 8 years.
8 years
And
after being married to start a podcast to finally start talking to each other.
yeah, हमने बच्चा नहीं करा तो हमने podcast कर लिया.
पता है ये मैंने तेरे को पता है ना मैंने रौनक के शो पे किया था.
Oh no.
ये अच्छा वो you weren't there.
Oh wow, this is how connected we are, Gursimran.
अरे no,
And
so-
yet people think we are divorced.
Yes,
You said-
by the way, ये भी आया है पिछले कि तो काफी एक्चुअली आता रहता है. साल में
Yeah, I
एक
was
बार
on
ही आता है.
Reddit. Yeah, because we don't post much on social media. We don't post with each other. So people think that we are not together and we are separated.
So are you telling me the only reason we're doing the podcast is tell people we are
know.
still together?
No, I don't care about that. You tell
हाँ.
me. Do you care about that?
No, I don't. But ये हमने conversation जरूर करी थी इस podcast start करने से पहले कि once you start putting your shit online, then you and I had this conversation कि should we be putting ourselves out there, नजर ना लग जाए and shit like that. ये
It's
डालना
just
पड़ेगा.
awkward when two people start something together and then after 3-4 years they're not together and then it's just, I think the joke's on them.
Why
then.
are you assuming?
I'm
that-
not assuming. I'm saying
that
most
three-
of the couples who start like a couple podcast, eventually they break up. Or maybe most people break up. I'm
Most
just being
people
so
break up.
pessimistic right now.
हाँ.
We had to put like a वो नजर मिर्ची and all that also ना.
वो
here.
यहाँ नहीं लगाएंगे, हम पोस्ट में लगा देंगे. पोस्ट
अच्छा.
में डाल देंगे. ऐसे है वो तो कहाँ नहीं तो हम ऐसे ही लगा देना चाहिए था. But the best thing that I discovered online was that there is people are still searching for you
Me.
online.
Me.
Yes, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh.
People, ek to I wasn't fucking searching for this, okay? Don't ask, how did we discover this? Do you
My
remember?
feet
Haan.
thing.
So, Ismeet has weird feet, okay?
Do you want to see my feet? Should I
इसमें
show my
इसमें
feet?
दिखाएं, इसमें दिखाएं.
Can you see my feet? दिखा सकते हैं?
पोस्ट में फोटो डाल के
हाँ,
तुम्हारी
the world's ugliest feet award should go to me.
she has like a gross ass bunion.
Not just a bunion, I'm also flat-footed.
वो तो ठीक है.
It just adds to it.
अच्छा, it adds to the
Ugliness
fucked upness of
and the
of your feet.
fucked-upness,
I have very
yeah.
pretty feet actually. Look,
You have nice, clean feet.
I have nice clean feet.
Yeah.
I have like size 11, very nice feet. Anyway, point is not if anybody wants to send me shoes. But the point is that I don't know how we discovered this.
Because I Google my name once every week.
Really? You Google your name once every week?
Sometimes, do you never?
No,
You never Google your name.
absolutely no.
I Google my name. Because, also, I'll tell you why.
Why do you Google your name?
So earlier it used to be because another reason why I don't like to call myself married or whatever is also because I always used to get recognized as Gursimran Khamba's wife.
तो ठीक ही है, गलत क्या?
बहुत कुछ गलत है उसमें. I have my own identity and I'm not just your partner or
Fair.
wife.
Correct.
And so on Google, even after I had started acting, or even if I wasn't acting, like if you would search my name, it would say is Gursimran Khamba's wife. So every now and then I just used to go and check अगर वो हट गया या नहीं हटा
वो
है.
हटेगा थोड़ी.
अब हट गया है.
वो हट गया?
I think so. Now when you Google my
How,
name,
how?
it's a television actor or
Nice, eh? Nice.
some actor. Yeah. Are you surprised? You've never Googled my name?
No.
Do you even love me if you've not Googled and stalked me online?
Listen, I am not googling myself your name.
But
I'm not
tell me
doing
when
it.
you were first meeting me.
हाँ.
Did you try finding out more about me? Did you Google? Did you try to see my Insta or Facebook?
I'm trying to remember. I don't think I think I must have searched for your Instagram. I don't remember anything else per se. क्योंकि this when we were dating, it was like 8 years ago. तब वो वाले स्कैम नहीं होते थे कि नकली रेस्टोरेंट में ले जाके 40,000 का बिल फट गया जो आजकल के बच्चों के साथ हो रहा है
But
डेटिंग
it's
करने
not
में.
just because of that scam, but in general.
No, I don't think so. I don't remember. But एक मिनट, हमने feet तो discuss करा ही नहीं तुम्हारा, हम एकदम jump कर गए. I love how you've gone from feet to suddenly
Google my
तुमने
name every day.
सब suddenly तुमने subject वो कर लिया.
तुमने first of all feet important क्यों था to why we are doing this?
नहीं, why we are doing
ताकि
this
we
का
get more searches and that feet वाला page gets dissolved somewhere.
dissolve नहीं होगा वो, इसके कारण तो साले और हो जाएगा.
Yeah,
No,
there's a Wiki Feet profile.
there is a page called Wiki Feet. Okay, now Wiki Feet is basically for people who have fetishes apparently. So somebody has taken photographs of her feet
Yeah.
from her Instagram.
Even the
and
stories that I would post.
even the stories. It's not just
Yeah.
कि इसने जो publicly photo डाली है, even your stories.
Yeah.
And so that's just weird, dude. Like that people are masturbating to your feet and shit. Like this is gross.
But didn't our friend tell us that it's very normal? Like people have crazy fetishes and
People
like
have
this one guy, our psychiatrist friend was telling us that he likes to get peed on while having sex. तो पैर तो कुछ भी.
When was I a part of this
No, I don't
conversation?
think so. My friend. I know
Was
you were
I a
not.
part of I don't remember being a part of this conversation.
Yeah.
What
It's
are you
called
discussing?
Golden shower यही होता है ना? ये होता है? Am I wrong?
पता है अब हम ये earnestly कर रहे हैं conversation. लोगों को लगेगा ये जान के कीवर्ड डाल रहे हैं गंदे वाले ताकि घटिया
पर तू मुझे बता ये होता है नहीं होता है. That's
होता
what.
है,
See,
होता
this
है.
is why I like us because I get to learn so many new things.
I didn't teach you. I just want to clarify. I didn't teach her what a golden shower is. Anyway, the point is not that. The
Yeah.
point is Ram Gopal Verma made a page for your feet. Okay, I don't know. Look, I don't know Ram Gopal Verma. It's just that he is the only person I know publicly who supposedly has a foot fetish. And Quentin Tarantino कर देते
He
हैं.
has a foot fetish.
Yes, actually. तू कह रही है तेरे को रोल नहीं मिल रहा क्वेंटिन टैरेंटिनो को फोटो
photo भेज दो।
फोटो भेज
Thank you.
सर आपकी आखिरी 10th पिक्चर आने वाली है
Let
सर
me DM him at
मैडम
1.
एक रोल
Hey, you up my feet. Here, take my feet.
but isn't it actually like a great business अगर तुम जैसे ओनली फैंस बनाओ
I am ready for it. If you can just tell me.
no
where
एक
I
minute
can
let's
submit.
clarify
Photo, pictures of my feet.
just
Nothing
feet
else.
it's only feet
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
OF only feet fuck we should have made this we
What?
should make this website
My
only
for
feet.
my only feet.
Just for people with foot fetishes.
Yeah.
Can you imagine you're making so much fucking money and जैसे इमेजिन अभी बारिशें हो रही हैं बॉम्बे में मानसून में, ठीक है, और हल्का सा ऐसे
Then
तुम्हारे
हमको ये
पैर पे
podcast
कीच
हमारे घर पे नहीं, हम स्टूडियो पे कर पाएंगे.
स्टूडियो में कर पाएंगे,
हाँ.
और थोड़ा सा हल्का सा कीचड़ लगा होगा, लोग $10 और फेंकेंगे कि और गंदा करो,
हाय, हाय।
हाय, गलती से पीच की टट्टी में लग गया तुम्हारा पैर,
नहीं, वो सब नहीं करूंगी मैं. I can't get
गोल्डन
dirty.
पूपू भी तो होता रहेगा. Point is that for all the us not posting online, what I'm trying to say is, for all the us not posting online, and I thought anyway I'm not online much, that there are people fucking digging out stories and putting only feet as a thing. I think it's a viable career option.
Thank you.
I think
I will consider it.
yeah, I think if shit hits the fan,
Considering the amount of things I have done in life already.
Yeah.
is one more thing.
one more thing, I think it's a viable profession. इसके कारण वो ना चालू हो जाए, अजीबोगरीब मैसेजेस आना. So best of luck
But we're
to
used
us.
to it.
हाँ,
Ajeebo-gareeb messages
that's also true. That's also true.
Thanks
N-
to all you men out there.
now let's go to what you were earlier saying in terms of dating, because you conveniently ignored the foot thing. So when we were dating, I didn't check your Instagram. Actually, for those of you who don't know, this is because it's the first podcast. I think the thing we're going to do in this podcast is just talk about like us, where we are at in life. ये हमें पहले कर देना चाहिए था actually. पहले 3 सेकंड के
नहीं,
अंदर.
वो हमें बताना था कि हम ये कर क्यों रहे हैं जो हम कर रहे हैं. Basically, we're just having fun, guys.
हाँ.
And we want to keep it light and conversational and talk about
Yes.
anything and everything. Not from the lens of like a marriage,
हाँ,
but just how two people who are just like probably very close pals,
Best
buds,
friends.
partners,
Best friends.
not husband wife, who talk to each other.
हाँ. So for those of you who don't have that context, because there will be people, obviously we are just assuming that the 10 people who know us are going to watch this, but for those of you who don't have that context, you are an actor.
Yeah.
I try and do comedy sometimes.
I'm also a nutritionist now.
You're also a nutritionist, which
Yeah.
is really good for people who would like assistance. Get in touch.
Yeah. I will
And-
keep throwing random food trivia here and there.
Yeah.
Every time we do this podcast.
Yeah. So that is our third side hustle, is only feet. So it's acting.
Our side hustle or mine.
I will
Don't
do the
take my
back end. I will
credit.
do the back end. I'll do the back end. So nutrition, only feet, and acting. Anyway, so for those of you who don't know, so I think this podcast is just going to be about us, how we met, etc. etc. For those of you guys who don't have context, so we met 8 years ago.
Yeah.
We met on. मैंने बड़ी कोशिश करी, by the way, reach out करने की कि
To
थोड़ा
Hinge?
brand नहीं, हाँ, कि brand sponsorship आ जाए. So we met on Hinge, which back in the day was also
Even
pretty
now,
common
even
actually.
now, I think it's known as the dating app. No.
It is obviously it is fucking
No,
known
there
as
are
the
some
dating app.
hookup apps and some friendship apps.
वो
and all
Tinder
of that.
Pinder
So
होता था.
their marketing thing is that they are. If you want to find real love, that's when you go to Hinge.
Oh, so we are one of the
Though that wasn't like my
Intention.
objective or intention.
Intention, back in the
what
day.
was it for you?
मुझे नहीं, तुम बताओ ना एक्चुअली तुम्हारी साली असली इंटेंशन क्या थी तुम्हारी.
कुछ नहीं थी.
मैंने 3 बारी ये रौनक के शो पे रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस पे बोला है,
And it always has
And
got a laugh.
हमेशा मैं एडिट हो जाता था, एंड रौनक भी इरिटेट हो गया. आई वाज लाइक तो हर बारी बोल देता है, उसके बाद तो मेरे को बोल देता है एडिट करने के लिए.
Why? Why though?
Because I was like, हम अपने पॉडकास्ट
You always knew that this
I
will
don't-
happen.
I don't know
Have you
because-
married me for this reason? It took you 8 years to come out
to
like
create content.
with honesty.
To create
Haan,
content?
haan.
No, that was not the point. Okay.
The
How
reason
did we meet?
I met Gursimran was because my ex was a big fan, and I had a very toxic relationship with him, and he had broken up with me almost 3-4 times, and this was probably the 5th or the 6th time, and I was livid, and I was like, "Ye bahar mein jaye," and I immediately downloaded Hinge, among other apps. Considering Hinge is not our sponsor, so I also downloaded.
There is no
Tinder.
sponsor, brother. There is no
Okay,
sponsor.
whatever. So I downloaded Tinder and every other app on the planet, and suddenly I saw Gursimran's profile. And I was like, oh my god, revenge. I just wanted one picture with Gursimran for my social media. That's it, to make him jealous. Which actually happened because later when I went and stalked, I'm a stalker, so I can stalk everyone. And later when I stalked his profile, he had stopped following you and AIB and all these other
Oh.
people, everyone. So that was the reason why I started talking to you. And
ये तुमने कभी बात करी थी बाय द वे उसके बाद
किससे?
इस चीज, just because that the said person is still our friend, has this
Yeah.
been discussed with that said
of
person
course
after?
he knows. Because I wasn't talking to him back then. It was only after 4 years of us getting married that
Huh.
him and I started talking again. And I think the first thing I told him was this only. And we also laughed.
By
and
that time, though, he wouldn't
I'm
have
sure he
given
was
a shit.
proud of me because he was so crazy in love with all of you. मैं नहीं तो चलो ये तो. And it's so funny. I matched with Tanmay also before I matched with you.
And then what
I
happened?
didn't talk to him. मैं क्या बात करूँ? I
I
don't
feel
know-
like
I
fucking-
don't know if he remembers or if he doesn't remember.
I feel like leftovers.
All of you
What do you mean, all of you?
are on dating app.
You know what is the image we are fucking giving out to the world right now? First, these guys are fucking making only feet. Then they're matching with like the whole
What? The whole what?
group.
And you know, I think another friend of mine, and it's so funny, I think about it, like,
I don't
I don't
remember
want to
this.
believe in the universe and all of this, but I think this makes me believe in it because another friend of mine was crushing on you.
Okay.
And 1 week before that,
Huh.
there was some walk organized where you
Oh
were-
fuck! I know this.
Yeah.
The
and she was raving about you on our girls'
On the Delhi
group
walk.
chat. That you know, I met Gursimran and this and that. So when I saw you, I was even more excited because I was like, oh my god, look, I can't.
फिर
I
मैं
don't want to
लड़कों
name
को भी
her.
jealous करूंगी और लड़कियों को
उसको
भी jealous
jealous नहीं
करूंगी.
करना था मुझे. It was just very fun. It was just a very funny incident. So that happened, but in hindsight, if this ex of mine wasn't there, and if
हाँ.
this friend wouldn't have mentioned about this walk and whatever,
हाँ.
I don't know if I would have.
तो basically तो I was your groupie experience.
Yeah, groupie experience. So I just wanted
Gee,
one
yaar.
picture. That picture is still there on Facebook. I called my flatmate
I remember this.
after our first date. I called my flatmate. Oh my god, Suchita, come down. He's coming. I want a picture. And that picture is on Facebook because obviously he had deleted me. So we planned that also. Okay,
You fucking planned that.
Of course.
I have
उसको
no
कैसे
idea.
दिखेगी
I
photo?
have no idea. एक मिनट. तो
I
तुम
have told you this, Gursimran.
No, I've forgotten, and now that I don't think we have discussed this in this much detail. So when we were on the date,
Yeah.
and when we were like
I
talk,
enjoyed the date. My mind was with you. I was fully present with
हाँ,
you.
I was gonna ask that because I'm like
Of
कि बहनचो तुम पूरी डेट में बैठे हो कब बकवास करना
Are
बंद
you
करेगा
mad?
तब ये बकवास करना बंद करे फिर मैं इसका फोटो लूं और कटूं यहाँ से आधे
No.
हाँ वो नहीं होना चाहिए.
No, I was genuinely surprised that, oh my god, we both were so similar and there was so much to talk about with you and it was just so much
That
fun.
is because उसमें कोई वो बड़ी बात नहीं है, यूनिवर्स नहीं है उसमें. हम दोनों दिल्ली के हैं, हम दोनों पंजाबी हैं. वो सबके साथ
पर
ही
हमें
साला
खाना
सही होता
पसंद है.
खाना पसंद है, सबके साथ ही सेम होता है वो. It is not some unique. Oh
That
shit.
is not unique, but the point that I would not have swiped for you if it wouldn't have been for these people in my life.
पहली बात तो तुमने मेरे को ये बोल दिया कि पहले मैंने तन्मय के साथ मैच किया, उसने मेरे साथ बात नहीं करी.
उसने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा था मुझसे, मैंने रिप्लाई नहीं किया. Maybe I just did not know what to
उसने
answer
कुछ
and how
hey,
to
you
answer.
वगैरह तो नहीं पूछ लिया
नहीं
तुमने?
यार, उसने कुछ some question which required some thinking kind of पूछा था. वो कौन सोचेगा बैठ के उसको रिप्लाई करने की? It was a smart question. I do not. Why are you looking at me like that?
What do you mean it was a smart question? That
was
just makes me
some
feel कि
nice-
तुमने मेरे को कोई smart question पूछा नहीं, इसलिए मैं तुम्हारे साथ बात
I
कर ली.
think I asked you पहले कि is Khamba your real name or is it because you're tall?
How the fuck did you know I was tall? I hadn't met you.
I used to see you ना. I used to
Mid
watch
shot
the
आता है TV
roast.
पे.
तुम सबसे
झूठे-
लंबे थे उन चारों में से
कुछ
गुरसिमरन.
एड वैड देखी तुमने तो कुछ बकवास. एक तो but no, the best part about this story, which I think a lot of people don't know, is that I think our parents we didn't tell.
Yeah, no. So basically, I didn't tell my parents how we met,
Huh.
and because my parents were so orthodox and old school back then.
Back
they
then.
have progressed. They have become like
More
for
progressive.
some reason,
They've become more progressive.
progressive now. But back then they were not. So I used to really lie to them about my boyfriends and all of that. I think उनको पता भी चल जाता था because I have had such horrible relationships. I used to be crying and all of that in the house, so they would immediately get to know कि कुछ तो हुआ है.
हाँ कि इतना तो इसे पसंद है नहीं होमवर्क और ये वो और काम की shit मेरे से हुआ नहीं
You know
आज.
what? One time I had an exam and I was in college and I had a fight with one of my boyfriends
Of
and I
course.
was crying, okay? And I had my maths exam and पापा आ गए. क्या हुआ बेटा, क्यों रो रही हो? I said कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, ये question कैसे solve करूँ? That's the reason why so you tell me your side now. Why did you meet me and why did
you meet me?
Yeah.
What the fuck is I don't no I want to. It's not about you meeting me. So first, I remember this moment where you had told me about that you were getting over some other guy or something like that. I think you had mentioned this.
You were a rebound.
Yeah, which and you.
I think I was also a rebound.
You were also rebound. You were also like, oh my god, I'm trying to get over someone.
Because I was drunk.
I'm trying to get over someone. We are not giving any good influence to everyone who's listening.
Yeah.
But you were very like, I can't believe.
But
I
this
just
is
want
this
to
is
be
also
honest
like
with
this
you.
is also for you guys. If you're dating someone and you think that you are just a rebound, don't lose hope. You might just find a wonderful person in that rebound. Like I found Gursimran and Gursimran found me.
ये तुम सडनली ज्ञान मोड में क्यों चले गए? तो ज्ञान मोड में क्यों चले गए सडनली अबाउट रिबाउंड्स?
Because usually it's considered. They're
देखो
considered
ये देखो
red flags.
10-15 मिनट हमने रिकॉर्डिंग करी है, तुम्हारे अंदर पॉडकास्ट ज्ञान बकवास करने की आत्मा आ गई है.
Maybe I was always meant to be a podcaster.
ज्ञान देना तो हम सबको हमारा फेवरेट पास टाइम है ना. नहीं ये मत करो तुम. आई
तुम
जस्ट
मुझे बताओगे मैं क्या करूँ और क्या नहीं करूँ?
I
You are
just
not like that. You're not like.
fair.
You can't mansplain.
I just remember, the only thing I remember is how it moved from us dating to us getting married pretty quickly. I remember very specifically. That is a very clear memory in my head where randomly we would be out somewhere and then suddenly you would show me some photograph from your family group of some boy. And usually that boy would be, for religious reasons we cannot specify, but usually those boys would be a little off the conservative bent, let's put it that way. And you would be like, dad ने इसकी
Yeah, my
प्रोफाइल
parents were
भेजी है.
after my life to get married for
हाँ,
some reason.
कि इसकी प्रोफाइल देखिए, कमाता भी अच्छा है.
मैं
और
ऐसे
इसका-
थोड़ी- I was just
और इसकी
pulling your leg.
stable job है. Bro, I have seen the CVs. Okay, I remember some of the boys' faces.
Yeah.
I remember seeing the CV, and I remember हमारी argument भी हुई थी where I was like, यार, this is getting a little out of hand. You either tell them the truth that you're seeing someone, etc.,
Or leave
etc.
me.
हाँ,
You have given me a lot of these ultimatums, even with your dog. You forced me to be
your
okay.
dog.
Our dog now, but back then she was your dog, and I remember you telling me that either you be friends with her or I'm breaking up with you.
She has a
Either
name.
you tell your parents
She
about
has a
me
name.
or I'm breaking up with you. Peach.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I love her now.
Yeah, now. I love that you're
I love.
I love that you're specifying now. The point is that you are that particular point of time you were constantly being sent images
Yeah.
of boys
Yeah.
who I suddenly went, yaar, thoda
You
aadmi
felt insecure
insecure and
of
little,
those men.
yeah, and competitive also. And I'm like, what is this BS? And I think eventually तब जाके तुमने जाके parents को बताया था कि oh actually I'm seeing someone etc.
Yeah. So
etc.
the reason we got married is because Gursimran was insecure, and I
Hey,
didn't. And I didn't want to lie to my parents.
you were just happy that you were getting choices every day.
And
One
also,
boy
we used
would
to
pop.
travel together a lot. We used to do a lot of holidays, and I would always tell my parents that I'm going on a work trip. And eventually, I was like, what am I doing? Like, why am I lying to my parents about this? So I just went and I told them that, okay, I am seeing a boy.
Abhi, speaking of this thing, कि when we were dating, and this is before we got married, at that particular point of time, you were after my life. कि तुम्हारी फोटो क्यों नहीं पोस्ट कर रहा?
Yeah,
तुम्हारी
I
photo
have
post
changed
करते।
a lot in the
तू
last
मेरी
8
फोटो
years.
क्यों नहीं डाल रहा है? तू आर यू ashamed of me etc etc. क्यों था वो इतना?
तब मैं बहुत insecure लड़की थी. अब मैं बदल
अब
गई
तुम
हूँ.
नहीं हो. अब तुम इनसिक्योर नहीं हो. साले झूठे. अब तुम इनसिक्योर
वैसा
नहीं
नहीं हूँ,
है.
वैसा
बताओ मैं तुम्हारी
But
इनसिक्योरिटीज.
you know, that's what I'm saying, because you were so nice and kind and all of
अबे
those
यार
things.
ये बार-बार बोलना
It's
बंद कर, लोगों को लगेगा कि
true.
साला
I realized what it means to be in a healthy relationship with a healthy human being.
This is going to look so bad.
But it's true. That's the truth. So now I'm a very secure person, and I would like to think that even you are a very secure person now. And now these things.
I
don't
was
matter.
secure before also.
Okay, fine, whatever.
I was
wasn't.
secure before also.
That's why I was like, okay, why aren't you uploading my picture? And now it just feels like, what was I doing?
Anyway, point is कि तुम तब बहुत इनसिक्योर थे. तुम क्यों थे तब? किस चीज को? What was the validation that you were seeking कि
We're
Instagram
doing
पे
all of
photo
this right
डाल
now in the first episode only.
हाँ, this is in our run order for the first episode.
Okay, what do I need to answer?
I have asked you a question.
You are the only one who's asking me questions. You're not answering any questions.
I did answer the questions. You asked me, what are you okay with? I said I was okay with everything.
Why did you marry me? Because it was my age to get married. Why did you do this? Because I'm okay with this.
But
What?
those are my real opinions. First of all, I didn't say it with that lack of enthusiasm. कि I was just okay with तुम
Yeah.
हो गए, तुम
Yeah.
शादी कर ऐसा तुम्हारे करानी है.
I had trust issues, Gursimran, back then.
Okay, and okay, fine. My point is, why were
And
so-
you were like this famous human being. I wasn't from this world at all. I couldn't trust you fully. So I was like, oh my god, कोई और लड़की है क्या जो तुम मेरी फोटो नहीं लगा सकते online?
Oh fuck, that's what you were thinking.
Yeah.
That's where it was.
You've never
coming from.
asked me this.
No, I've not asked
That's
you
so
this.
bad. This is exactly what I mean why you don't talk to me. Otherwise, you're kind and nice.
But
and
that's why we are doing. That's why we're doing this podcast.
Yeah.
That's just how we talk. This
so
is just.
that he talks.
Hey,
You know
man.
it's so that he talks.
Oh man, it can't be.
Why don't you talk?
I talk, man. Don't
Yeah,
say
yeah,
I
you
don't
talk,
talk
you
and
talk.
shit. Bubu, क्या सोच रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, वेट कर रही हूँ.
चलें? Now करें? बाल ठीक है मेरे? हाँ. ओहो, कटाने वाले हो गए. नहीं?
मेरे भी वो अजीब सा टर्न आ रहा
तुम तो करा के आए हो
है. Yeah, but that's because half my hair is curly and half my hair is that stupid straight abhi bhi. So
half
it's
my hair is
just
half my hair and half my hair is balding
dent. No,
ठीक
you're not balding.
है
For
ना?
a 40-year-old man, you're very good.
First of all 39 don't
Oh.
add here for no reason हाँ चलें रोल हो रहा है कि कर रहे हैं oh shit sorry हमारी बकवास कैप्चर हो गई है BTS
गुरसिमरन के बाल इतने अच्छे हैं अभी तक क्योंकि वो अच्छा खाना खाता है और वो अच्छा खाना इसलिए खाता है क्योंकि मैं उसकी डाइट प्लान करती हूँ और अगर आप भी चाहते हो कि आप 40 इयर्स तक आपके बाल रहे तो आप मुझे कांटेक्ट करिए
Are you telling me? Are you telling me everyone who's bald right now is on a low protein diet?
Not
because,
everyone
because
but
hair is
most
protein.
Indians are on a low protein
Oh
diet.
my!
Hair
I
is
don't want to
protein.
listen to the amount of protein-based gyan bullshit I have to listen to because you're listening to videos all the time of these fake influencers.
That's not where I get my knowledge from, Gursimran. What are you trying to tell people?
Oh no! That's not what I'm trying to say.
studied.
That is not what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. She debunks them, but to debunk them, you have to listen to them.
That's why I like him so much because he was so kind.
Oh my! Stop
And you have
calling
my
me.
back. all the
Stop.
time.
Okay, I do have your back, but stop
Yeah,
calling
you
me
have.
kind and all that bullshit. Like लोगों को लगा कि PR exercise चल
But
रही
ये
है.
नहीं है. You are a unicorn in my life, Gursimran. I have told you this like 100 times.
No, you have not. I don't want to be
Second
called a
time I'm
unicorn.
telling you this.
I don't want to be
But
called
I
a unicorn.
feel I genuinely think that you're a nice person. Out of all the, and I've said this before also, and I'm saying this now, out of all the men I've been with and all the men who are in my life right now as friends, you are the best.
Thank you for clarifying. Thank you for clarifying that second half.
Yeah.
Because I don't know who all is subscribing to your only feed.
I don't interact with them.
Oh, you don't interact? You just
some
take-
unknown
you just take
manager
their
who's
money.
managing my profile.
Oh, there's a manager.
Maybe
Oh,
someone is managing
There's
that
a multi-channel network.
profile.
We need to do something about
But
the
you
feed.
tell me now
Okay.
that
What would you like to
what are
listen?
you doing in life these days, considering
Oh, I love the segue. कि मैंने तो तुम्हारे से बात ही नहीं करी 8 साल में. What are you doing in life now? तुम्हें तो पता ही नहीं है मैं क्या
for
कर
the
रहा हूँ.
people.
Yes, तो ऐसे हम segue करेंगे. That's the other problem. The problem of not being online is especially in our industry. I think when you're like working on projects जिसका gestation period is 2 years, 3 years, and वो भी आज की इंडस्ट्री की इतनी वाट लगी हुई है वो भी नहीं पता चलता कि आएगा भी या नहीं आएगा, निकलेगा कि नहीं निकलेगा. तो ओके आई विल से दिस एक्चुअली आई डोंट थिंक आई एवर एडमिटेड इट बट अपने पॉडकास्ट पे तो कर ही सकते हैं. सो आई डिड थिंक I was thinking about this the other day. I had a bit of an emotional moment. I don't think I told you. I met somebody, and a lot of people in the industry who I meet, they end up bringing up Government because they've seen it or somehow they've seen it, and I don't know. Government was the show that I did for Amazon, which got censored. I think actually we should do a film festival called just the Banned Film
Yeah.
Festival, है ना? We should organize it.
अब
Actually,
मामी हो ही नहीं रहा है, इस साल
मामी
तो यही
हो नहीं
कर
रहा, हाँ
लेते
मामी नहीं हो
हैं।
रहा. Okay, I got it. Banned Film Festival idea. पहले first opening screening of Government, मेरा शो पूरा available है. Second पंजाब 95, हनी त्रेहान, ठीक है, वो भी रिलीज हो रही. थर्ड अपना वो दिबाकर सर की 30, वो भी नेटफ्लिक्स जो खरीद रहा है. Banned Film Festival is a great idea actually. We should just do it underground, sell limited tickets. Anyway,
we'll
full-
filter
We'll filter the people who can watch it so that nobody goes to prison.
Correct.
That's a very good idea. That's a very good idea. So, copyright IP is saying it right now. Banned Film Festival.
Yeah.
हम अपनी ही पिक्चरें बनाते रहेंगे और
Yeah.
भेजते रहेंगे. Anyway, so I'd met somebody who had seen it, and so they were like, oh, they go, oh, it would have been so cool, had it come out, etc., etc. So my brain went into that thing of, how for 5 minutes your brain goes, how different your career would be if a thing that you had really worked on and dedicated would have come out. And I did think about that, and I got a little like, imagine if that only two possibilities would have happened. Either I would have been in prison, or it would have been like a cult hit with the kind
Or
of
both.
or both.
I think it would have been both. You would have definitely been in prison, considering what that show was. It's amazing. It was amazing, but I
No,
would have-
you to first of all don't call it amazing. पहली बार तो तुम्हें पसंद ही नहीं आया था.
पहली बार मुझे ऑडियो समझ नहीं आ रहा था. वो
You know
audio mix.
what is sad? I did this show. Aanchal the comedian. She does a show called Assisted Dating. Okay, so they make us meet the contestants before 5 minutes before you're about to go on stage. Ki, hi, hello, we're gonna be performing the show with you. Okay, and so one of the girls, I don't remember your name. I remember saying hi to you. If you watch this, you can vouch for this. She used to work at this agency called Ormax, and Ormax does the pre-show मतलब वो ऑडियो टेस्ट रेटिंग की लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. तो someone brought up government and she was like, oh, वो तो बड़ा ही बोरिंग शो था. वो तो बहुत ही बोरिंग शो था.
This is not the marketing you want to
This
do
is
for
not the
your
marketing.
show.
Hey, it's not releasing, so it's
The
fine.
first time you're talking about it.
It's not the no, people have spoken about it. Has spoken about it among other shows
Yeah.
that got banned in the last 5 years. Anyway, so she was like, बहुत ही boring show था. And I was like, yeah, I wrote it. I was showrunner. And she was like, oh, so I'm so sorry. It got very awkward very quickly. And then I was just like, no, it's okay.
Boring का नहीं है. I
You were
think-
not the audience
हाँ,
for it.
everyone will not understand it, and I think that's like the beauty of it.
See,
also.
because back in the day when it was written, that time the Indian storytelling landscape was very different. At that time, we were told we don't care if only 10% of the people get your jokes.
Yeah.
You write it. Like you could be a little more fearless. You could be a little more.
What I love about
bold.
that show till now is that I think it's still relevant. And imagine you had created that show like 8 years ago.
No,
and-
if we would have done it now, it would have had to become way better.
But the thing is, whatever you have shown in that show, those 8
हाँ,
episodes,
fair.
the things that you showed, those things are happening now. They didn't happen then. They're
That
happening
is-
now. Like, you know, आप
हाँ,
वो
ये
थे.
हुआ है, ये
आप
हुआ है.
एक psychic थे जब आपने वो show लिखा.
करेक्ट, क्योंकि हम वो सीक्रेट स्क्रीनिंग्स जब भी करते हैं उस शो की, तो वो सीक्रेट स्क्रीनिंग्स में लोग यही बोलते हैं कि अच्छा तुमने ये देख के लिखा. देन वी हैव टू रिमाइंड देम, सर
Correct.
2016 का लिखा हुआ है.
Correct.
बड़ा पुराना शो है. एनीवे,
It's
सॉरी,
like the universe read your script and made it happen in real life.
we're fully digressing. But the point I'm trying to make is, at that moment I had that when people ask me, right, like in terms, it happened after a long time because I'm not that emotional with about my work. I'm just like, हाँ हो गया, निकल गया, whatever. I'm very dispassionate about it. But people were like, oh, it would have been so nice. And my brain went full into one 5-minute. एक तो वैसे ही वो बारिश भी हो रही थी बॉम्बे में, तो बाहर बारिश गिर रही है और मैं ऐसे बस रिफ्लेक्टिव होके
ये
5
actor
मिनट
moment you
सोचा.
had.
हाँ, एक्टर मोमेंट है. तो I caught myself. I was like,
I like to cry in the rain
I like-
because
no
nobody
one
can then see I'm crying.
Yeah, nobody can see my tears in traffic.
I've never seen your tears.
Bullshit.
You have never like cried in front
I
of me.
have.
Once in like 8 years, and me, I cry every day.
हाँ, वो तो
So-
अब वो तो कंपैरिजन ही नहीं बनता ना वो. नहीं वो लगे. But that day I had that moment. I didn't tell you. I think I in general this, हाँ, अब मेरे को पता है पॉडकास्ट जब बंद होगा तो तुम मेरे को बोलोगे you had such an
ये भी नहीं
emotional
बताया
moment. You had
मुझे.
such an emotional moment and you didn't tell me about this. Because it's for me, I'm also like I don't know. My brain just moved on to like the next script, kind of like a situation.
So what are you doing now, Gulshan? In life?
I am. We just finished a show which you have seen called Ikatthe, which was, by the way, very nice. It's not out yet, but
And there was not one character written for me in that show. Nepotism is like the trend आजकल. यहाँ पे तो कुछ भी नहीं लिख रहा है मेरे लिए.
by the way, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई थी घर पे जब मैं वो शो लिख रहा था. ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई थी कि तुम बाकी कैरेक्टर्स के लिए तो तुम लिख रहे हो, हैं, for your own partner you cannot
You know,
write a role.
I'll tell you
and I'm
why.
like, I can construct a
So
role for you in the
I've
story.
done a serial, I've done a few ads, I've done Chotu Motu Kaam, and every time I meet people, they think it's because of Gursimran that I've got this work.
Yeah.
Another reason why I hate being called married.
Yeah.
Everything I've done is actually on my own. I
Yeah,
have
that is true.
auditioned, I have done everything on my own. It's not because of you. But अगर लोगों को ये समझना ही है कि तेरे वजह से मुझे काम मिल रहा है, तो मुझे काम दिला देना गुरसिमरन. Please.
देखो, मुझे बस ये लगता है कि okay, so people actually one of my favorite works of yours, actually your TV serial was quite cool in the
Yeah.
sense that you were so raw when you had done it.
Yeah.
And I remember seeing the first
The growth.
episode. Yeah, and I remember seeing the last episode and I was like mad proud. For those of you who have not seen it, it was a show on Sony called Dosti Anokhi, lovely show. In the beginning, you were so raw that should we be able saying it? But production took full advantage, which I found out later. There was a scene where you had to be pushed in a water body.
Yeah. Active
Right?
water bottle.
Active water body, it was really freezing cold. It was freezing cold.
Yeah.
And then they pushed you, and then
They didn't push me.
push me in the sense you had to jump.
Yeah.
You had to jump.
I had a life jacket.
You had a life jacket underneath you, which was hilarious
It was
because
December, 3 degrees.
because you can see that this character is not is not fucking wide
Yeah.
and massive,
Yeah.
but you jumped and you're floating, and then you've come out and they're like, "Madam, एक और take
I
कर
looked
लेते हैं,
inflated.
एक और take कर लेते हैं, madam." And I was like, don't you have a body
Take
double?
नहीं था वो. It was the next day they came for shooting some promo and they were like, फिर से करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
And I went like,
But you've got the original take.
no, I didn't do this. I was like full crying and all. I was like, I had to emotionally blackmail them or some manipulate them. So I was like, अगर आपकी girlfriend होती इतनी ठंड में, I'm on my period, you still want me to jump again? I'm so unwell. Can't you just take this take from the original that you have? And then they were like, अच्छा अब क्या ही बोले इनको.
But didn't they have a body double? I thought they had
They
a body
had.
double.
They had.
For those who have not seen the show, though, it's actually very nice for Indian television. Your character, her character doesn't turn into a makhi. Her character is not some sass type of situation. It was actually quite sweet. And you actually had like massive growth. And I remember like,
My acting has changed from from the
100%.
first episode to the
100%.
I think a lot of my learning that I have learned about acting has been on that TV set, and
trains
that's
you.
also one of the reasons why I feel like I don't know why TV actors get so much
अब तो नहीं होता है.
flack.
अब
अभी
वो
भी होता है.
नहीं होता है
थोड़ा
ना. पोस्ट विक्रांत एंड ऑल आई थिंक पीपल एक्सेप्ट इट लिटिल बिट मोर. हाँ, ये जरूर होता है कि तुम्हें किसी नेपो बेबी के साथ पेयर कर दे, देन यू हैव टू शो डिफरेंस. You have to kowtow. Let me use that word instead. तो वो तो जरूर होता है. But I think for you, I specifically remember you had decided I'm gonna quit my nice corporate job which made me travel 30 countries and I'm going to end up becoming an actor. And then 2 weeks later, lockdown happened.
Yeah.
And I remember you were just like, oh fuck. That was intense for you actually. Yeah. Have you actually thought about this? Like the way I had my government moment
Thought about
recently.
what?
Ki what if I had delayed it, or what if
No.
something else had worked out? There's a bunch of things.
No,
you've
because I
also-
hated my life before it. So
Thanks.
at least before what? Why
Thanks.
are you saying thanks?
Oh, I thought that was like a dig at me.
No.
Okay,
From a job perspective.
Acha, like that. Huh.
So even though I was
Join the club.
working,
Join the club.
which job did you hate?
Of mine?
Yeah.
I can't name the projects. There have been many projects I have been on which I have hated, but
Oh.
mostly I have. So the bunch of the government I loved. I loved the last show that we just shot and hope you guys will see it. I had a great time on Kapil Sir's Netflix special. Creating that was a lot of fun. There's actually been a bunch of stuff.
So this is all that you've done in the last 4-5 years when you've been MIA.
I've not been MIA.
Like people think you've been MIA.
People think I've been dead. ठीक है, people
So
have,
tell us first, what are you up to? What is happening?
stand-up is happening, movie scripts are happening, shows are happening. Movie scripts, so you know what it is, na? You have to find the right
It takes time.
casting. It takes time.
Correct.
So वो tension नहीं है मुझे. It's actually been good. I feel like for me the journey
And are
was
you doing what you always wanted to do, or
100%. I always wanted to write. I never wanted to be in front of camera. I hate limelight. I hate being in front of
अभी
camera.
कैसे आपके सामने है कैमरा?
Exactly. वही
How
मैं
you
the-
कैसा
the
लग रहा है
iron-
आपको?
I-
खंबा?
you know
Are you
how-
खंबा? Are you खंबा?
The latter actually. I don't think people know that.
खंबा.
Yeah, I don't think people know that. But
Thanks for
good.
the clarification.
Thanks, yeah.
I know.
Thanks,
finally.
partner.
It's because I haven't changed my surname, so
That is true.
that also we'll discuss.
We will
someday.
someday.
Yeah.
That was fun. नहीं, कोहली सरनेम अच्छा है. इंडिया में है वैल्यू उसकी
I know.
सरनेम की.
My bhai is the
हाँ,
best.
तुम्हारा भाई. इन 3 लोगों को लगेगा सच में तुम्हारा भाई है विराट.
I have done an ad almost with him for 2 years. Remember?
Almost.
Arey, there is.
He
after
wasn't
my
with it. No, I do remember you had done 2 commercials with MS Dhoni, and I was like, धोनी को भी लग रहा होगा क्या ये बंदी फिर आ जाती है हर ad में back
We
to back.
talked about his strawberry farms.
Yeah, what did he say? I'm very curious.
I don't remember, but he loved his
don't
strawberry
remember.
farms.
You don't remember.
Because my gym trainer, I'm not into cricket. So I didn't even know he had strawberry farms. But my gym trainer told me that he is like his big fan. So please tell him that I love his strawberry farm. So I told him my gym trainer loves his strawberry
You didn't
farms.
tell Dhoni that you were a big fan? What did you say to Dhoni?
Nothing. Hi, how are you? How is it going?
You didn't ask him any cricket thing?
मैं क्या पूछूं? मैं इतनी डम साउंड करती है कि मैं उससे क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करने लग जाती. If there's one thing about me you should know, and you know, is that I'm authentic. I can't like fake and lie about all these things.
I know actually. Why didn't I tell you to like get me something autographed and shit? Now that I think
Are
about
you a
it,
Dhoni fan?
who isn't a Dhoni fan, bro?
I mean, I'm okay.
Never admit it.
I mean,
All you Kohlis.
I am indifferent.
All you
I am
Kohlis.
indifferent.
All you Kohlis just hate Dhoni.
It's not that. I don't hate Dhoni. I just don't know much about cricket and sports in general.
I do remember this. You have just jogged my memory that the 2023 World Cup, 50 over World Cup, जब इंडिया फाइनल में पहुंच गया था, finally जब इंडिया फाइनल में पहुंच गया था, she has a great idea. Let's do a screening at home. She has not watched one match. She doesn't know jack shit about cricket. all of our friends have showed up.
Yeah.
And we're watching the game.
We
India-
lost, na?
Yes, I remember. Everybody
didn't
knows.
know.
Everybody
People were
knows.
very sad.
Everyone is getting their ass kicked. Everyone is sad as. And you're like, what happened, guys? We can
know.
still win.
Just please.
Travis head mar raha hai.
You're exaggerating.
We can still
Kuch bhi,
win.
kuch bhi.
Man, that day I
I was
hated
just
you.
sad because I had cooked so much food for everyone and everyone was so upset. Nobody ate anything and I was like, कोई खा क्यों नहीं रहा है
ट्रैविस
कुछ?
हेड मार रहा है हमारे को खाने की नहीं पड़ी ना ब्रो तेरे को अपने खाने
I
की पड़ी
turn
मैंने
to food na when I'm sad. So
people don't turn to food we all turn to alcohol that day
realized
you
that
were
day.
talking about come on man that's just ignore that just suddenly struck me no so I've been writing a bunch of scripts and shit and so yeah you guys will get to see it soon you
Yeah.
have been also been busy with the acting and as she has already done 3 commercials for her nutrition
should I do a fourth one?
yeah sure
I don't
knock
have an
yourself
idea.
out
कुछ बोल मैं बोल दूंगी फिर.
क्या आप भी तंग आ गए हैं घर पे बासी सब्जी खा खा के तो आइए इस स्मिथ कोहली के पास जो आपको खिलाएंगे अलग अलग सीड्स
मैं
नट्स
शेफ नहीं हूँ. I will
सॉरी जो आपके लिए बनाएंगी प्लान
मैं बनाऊंगी,
जो
हाँ,
आपके
plan.
जो आपके लिए बनाएंगी प्लान क्या आप मोटे हैं और अपनी डाइट कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं क्या आपको हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस है और क्या आप अपने हार्मोन कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं और क्या
भी.
कुछ भी और बता
कुछ भी.
क्या आप नेपो बेबी हैं और अगली पिक्चर के लिए फिट 6-8 ऐप बनाना चाहते हैं
नहीं
और
या क्या
साथ
आप नेपो बेबी है और अपनी नेक्स्ट फिल्म के लिए एक्ट्रेस ढूंढना चाहते हैं वो भी.
एब्स और एब्स के साथ साथ पाइए फ्री एक्टर
Abs वैसे abs होना is not the healthiest guys
व्हाई
because you need a certain amount of body fat in your body.
Oh, that's why you like me.
Yeah.
It's really strong.
30% body fat percentage that you have.
I'm
33%.
33%.
We checked no the other day.
Oh हाँ कितनी होनी चाहिए वैसे
मतलब 33 is a bit much. You will be okay with 24 is okay. Is average for
that's
men.
like bro that's
for
like
men.
that's 10% more
Yeah.
I need to lose 10% body fat
Yeah. चलो बंद करो जाओ. Let's go start running.
अरे fuck dude no कल anyway that's not the point the point I'm trying to make is anyway go watch her show lovely show really nice great arc
It was cute and it was nice. It was unlike television. That's why it didn't do very well.
okay we have our last segment of this show
Patience.
So, question which I think for people, because this is a big decision and a lot of people end up making this decision or think about making this decision. How did you come to the point of I'm gonna quit what was a very nice job? I mean, nice from the outside, but I think you enjoyed it too. To decide to become an actor. घर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली तो मुझे ही ब्लेम कर रही होगी नाउ दैट आई थिंक अबाउट इट
Yeah, maybe. तूने बिगाड़ा.
इन्फ्लुएंस हो गई
हाँ.
ने बिगाड़ दिया
No,
अच्छा
I
खासा जॉब
think-
कर रही थी
So I don't think I ever knew what I wanted to do in life. I think a lot of us don't know what we want to do. We never had those conversations also in our family and school. School was just about अच्छा exam देना है, pass होना है, next thing. And I was very good in studies. Now the thing that happens when you're very good in studies is like the society has your entire career path planned for you.
planned out yeah
So I remember my accounts teacher also telling me that तुम्हें पक्का CA करना होगा, okay CA करना. And I remember after school my parents got CPT की books also, but I never studied. But then I never
but
like,
you finished
took that
CFA
break.
you finished no
CFA I've done. But I never took a break. So school happened and the next thing you know is you're in college. You don't know why you're studying BCom, but you're studying BCom. Then your placements happen. And it was my first interview and KPMG had come. And my first interview, I cleared it and I was an auditor. I didn't even know what audit meant at that time. And honestly, I don't think I studied a lot in college also. I got a first division essay last moment pe padke. So I was very unaware of what exactly I want to do. And I was unaware about life in general. It was only when I started working, I was like, oh shit, what is this? What do I have to do? And then the world of investment banking used to fascinate me a lot because money, probably.
it must be aspiration right
Yeah, it was aspirational. So I started studying CFA and etc. I cleared all of it in first attempt. I just gave an interview. I got a job, and that's how I came to Bombay for investment banking. 1 month into it, I was like, oh shit, this is not for me. I am not fascinated by making balance sheets or looking at, okay, how can money be like, given from one company to the other company, one fund to the other fund. I don't even think I was very good at it. And that's also because I don't think I was
You were into it, no?
Yeah, so 9 months, uske baad I was like, I have to figure something out because I can't imagine my life like this. And then I changed my job and I joined a company which used to sell solar lights. to the
Yeah.
people who don't have access to the grid. And suddenly from finance, I moved to almost sales in
Hmm.
a way. And I used to handle these markets for the Southeast Asia and the Pacific. And I liked it. I enjoyed it. There was travel. It
was a lot of
felt
fun.
like there was a purpose.
Correct.
In terms of, oh, I'm serving someone, I'm
Something,
doing some good in life, and it's not just about making money. By then, I had realized that money is not what fascinates me. I used to think that it's money, but it's not that. But after 2-3 years, I got bored with that also. I used to get bored very easily. And then I was like, I can't keep doing this. I can't be selling lights for the rest of my life.
There's nothing wrong with selling fucking
There is
solar
nothing
lights.
wrong with it. I was someone
You
who
were
just
not.
got bored. Yeah, I just did not find that desire in me to do it anymore. So yeah. But anyway, I was bored. Then I joined a consulting firm. But then that consulting in
God.
my head was for social enterprises. So I was like, chalo, at least they're consulting for like the right things, which is climate change and
हाँ. जिसकी किसी को परवाह नहीं है, किसी कंपनी को
हाँ,
परवाह
नहीं
नहीं है
है
जिसकी
परवाह.
वो घटिया झूठे goals.
But then again, I realized the same thing that like what you said, right? Like it's just we're making reports for the sake of making reports. I'm not really sure if it is, helping anyone also or
sustainable
not.
development goals follow नहीं हो रहे हैं, किसी को परवाह नहीं है, हाँ.
And I think you suggested, why don't you just join a theater class
Yeah.
as a distraction after work? And I just took one theater class and I was like, I feel so alive.
I remember you were telling me. I remember after the first class, you were telling me. Remind me because I've fully forgotten. You'd done some ad as a kid or some shit.
Yeah, in class 4th, I have done one Microsoft ad. But then my parents
Which was
didn't
like
let me.
no. What was it? A still campaign?
No, it was a proper campaign where me and my classmate were taking an exam and he tries to copy. And then I give him this look, don't do this. I
Give
will
look,
tell
give-
ma'am.
give
no,
look.
I'm not
What-
giving any
what
looks
left?
right
Give
now.
na, give.
पैसे दे दूंगी. Give me money to act, no.
One for camera. If some okay. This is reminding me of कोई singer आता है ना. मैडम दो अल्फाज.
वो गाते
जाते
तू
जाते दो.
जोक सुना पहले फिर मैं लुक दूंगी.
Okay, good point. Good
जोक
point.
सुना.
Move on. हाँ. Correct. Good point.
So, and then I was still working, and then I took a few workshops,
And then the
acting
fucking
workshops, and then I realized I was decent at it. And my mentor kind of pushed me, okay, start auditioning. Then I started getting ads, and then it had become unsustainable to keep lying at work. Okay,
Yeah.
Every time I would lie for a shoot.
हमारी कंसल्टेंट कहाँ है?
हाँ.
सडनली आइकिया के कमर्शियल में दिख रही है.
Yeah.
प्लेट बेचते हुए ये क्या हो गया? वो वाला सिचुएशन हो गया होगा.
Yeah, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. But then eventually I spoke with my manager, who was a sweetheart, that I think I want to do this. And he sat me down and he's like, look at your CV. Look, kabhi audit, kabhi kuch. And now acting. Like, are you sure you want to do this? Because,
fuck.
there's no U-turn after this. So think about it. He tried his best to make me stay. But I was like, nahin, मैं तो करूँगी.
You're decided. हाँ, I remember
And I
this.
think I was lucky also back then because within a few months of me quitting my job, I got like a show.
You got that
And
new
as
show.
soon as that show got over, I got like a serial. So, and I remember he messaged me also that time that I'm so proud of you and all of that. But then in the last 1.5 years, I've been like, no work.
Listen. That last 1.5 years for everyone has been a little tough because
Yeah.
I think the industry is also going through that turmoil. So
Yeah.
I also remember specifically when you were shooting your TV show. By the time you would come back home, you would be so in your character, and I would be like waiting with food, going, "Aaj kaisa tha din?"
And I would just keep crying.
and you're just like, "अरे बात ही करनी मुझे." I was just like, what the fuck is going on this? set?
It was actually harder than my investment banking job, but I didn't mind doing it because I was so in love with it. But if you take me out of that set environment and you put me in that investment banking job, oh shit, the stress. I would wake up with palpitations that another day of doing this. For me, I know people who love it and it's amazing. So I think it's so important to find what you love. It's
Drive
hard.
it.
I have bad days also, and I don't make that money now, the money that I used to make earlier. But at least whatever I've done has been like of my choice. And
Yeah.
these were my decisions and these are still my decisions. I
Correct.
don't know what's going to happen tomorrow.
Correct.
But yeah, so nutrition also happened along the way because
Along
in the
the way.
last 2-3
But I
months-
think that's why also you're good at it because you're genuinely passionate about it. Like,
finally I think I have found something I'm passionate about, and both of the things I think
Yeah.
I'm very, very passionate
the good
about.
thing is they go hand in hand.
Yeah.
One more thing to clarify for the audience. From our next episode onwards, we'll try and do some segments. In this episode, we just wanted to tell everyone what we were up to, what we've been doing, why we want to do the podcast. It's more like an informal kind of like a situation that we want
And
to
I think we
set
just chit chat about everything that's happening in the world and about random things
Yes.
related to love, life, friendships,
love
careers.
life, friendship.
Love, comma, life, not love life.
My point is not that. My point is that suddenly turned into that radio show, Love, Life or Friendships.
Red FM.
हाँ, ये बोल पाएंगे पता नहीं मुझे पता.
Blue FM.
Whatever. हाँ, very good. So, okay, last segment of episode 1 is because in this episode we mostly spoke about being married and what our past 8 years have been like. I think we should, for public consumption, because we are shameless and want engagement, for public consumption we should do marriage review. What is marriage review? Do you know what the segment is? You didn't see the run order that I had made? Okay. Marriage review segment. Thanks. Marriage review segment is where after
I saw most of it. This one
you
I
saw most
this
of it.
part
You
I
were just
skipped.
like, हाँ, तो क्या हुआ कि ऐसे
बात ही तो
पूरा
करनी
crew
है।
आ रहा है, हाँ बात ही तो करनी है, देख लेंगे, है ना? क्या फर्क
Though
पड़ता
I
है?
was very nervous.
You were
before
very
we
no. You were. It's very nice. It's good. No nervousness detected on
Thank you.
camera, etc. etc. So marriage review is one thing we / love about each other.
ये क्या था?
Segment. One thing we love about each other. One thing we hate about
But
each
मैंने
other.
बता ही दिया है ना what I love about you. You're so
हाँ,
kind
that's
and
true.
generous.
That's
You're such
true.
a unicorn.
तो ये काट ही देते हैं ना फिर.
ये-
काट ही देते हैं ये. इतनी
You
ऐसे
tell me
fake
though
praise.
first, what do you love about? I have asked you this question multiple times in the last 8 years actually.
Yeah, and then you're telling people I'm not insecure.
Why do you love me?
Then you're
Gulshan
telling people
Rai?
absolute lies.
Shall you tell
कि
me?
I'm not insecure.
First you tell me 10 nice things about me.
10 things.
Now that you're doing fast, rapid fire. In like 30 seconds. Time starts now.
I'm not telling 10 things.
अरे?
I need time to prepare. मेरे को भी तो run order पढ़ना
लेकिन
पड़ेगा
नहीं
ना.
है ना 10 चीजें.
No, I know the main thing.
Which
and
is? Don't say empathy and all that.
if that is my
No.
Why?
Because you said it a million times.
I
Why
have-
do you like it if I have empathy? तुझे क्या मिला है उससे?
No. Boo, you don't realize you're a unicorn. You're a unicorn. There are no
And I'm
people.
kind,
There are no people. You're
generous.
kind. You're nice. You're generous. There are no people. No, for me, the thing I love about you most is also what I hate about you most. And the answer is the same: is that you have empathy for everyone.
I don't have empathy.
You have empathy for everyone. You just are too nice
No.
to everyone. And I'm just like, listen, it's okay to be an asshole sometimes. It's perfectly fine.
I am. I also become an asshole, but then I feel bad about being an asshole.
That's empathy.
my
That's
problem.
empathy. That's empathy. That is empathy. Right. That is my point. I have absolute. Okay. Let's rephrase the question. Let's rephrase it for our segment. You Gen Z को I don't know ये अपील कर रहा है कि नहीं
Like
आजकल
this, what we
सयारा
did
देख
when
रहे हैं
we
सब. Anyway,
started. I liked Sayara.
मैंने नहीं देखी. तो वो segment नहीं है. Segment. Okay. Let's rephrase the question. Let's not go into one thing you like about me, one thing you hate about me करके. Let's say what is the one thing you expected marriage to be?
You know, I didn't expect anything. I didn't think only इतना ज़्यादा. I don't think in
ये
life.
segment
इतना-
कैसे बनाएंगे bro?
अच्छा बोल फिर से.
Okay. What is the नहीं What is the one thing you expected marriage to be? What is the one thing you were surprised by?
I genuinely, I mean it.
Don't say I'm kind. I'm gonna.
No. I didn't expect it to be anything. For me, when I got married, it was like, okay, I will not have to lie to my parents.
And
I
it's a
get to
party.
live, there is no lying. And yeah, and there's a party. We get to have 3 functions. We get to invite all our friends. Yay! That's it. That is all marriage was for me. And luckily, I found you because there was no baggage of like
You know how
relatives,
sad it is?
relatives and all of that, the formalities that mostly people do once they have gotten married.
If CFA level 3 graduates are going to be thinking about marriage like this, what
Because
hope?
marriage was never the plan, you know it. When I started dating you, in my head, back then I thought, अच्छा 3-4 साल के बाद देखेंगे.
हाँ.
Right? So it was because, you know, you were old. And you wanted to settle down. And you didn't want to lie. You didn't want me to lie to my parents. And I was like, हाँ, इसमें problem क्या है? कर लेते हैं. I still look at marriage like this. Like if you... If,
I am old,
No,
तो कर लेते
no.
हैं.
That इसमें... For me, it's not like shit. अगर नहीं हुआ काम तो divorce हो जाएगा. It's a breakup. For me, it's a breakup. It's not the end of the world. I
अगर
still
मैं
look at...
आज बोलूं
हाँ, I will be
let-
sad. But for me, every breakup has been sad like that. For me, every breakup has felt like a divorce. Are you trying to understand what I'm saying? I was very invested in
so my
all
level,
my
my
relationships.
status in a relationship is the same as all the others.
No.
It will feel like the same breakup.
You are the nicest person.
Oh
who
my
I-
fucking god! Stop it! This bullshit. Fucking I'm the
But it
nicest
is
person.
True. It is true.
Abbe,
It is true. I can't picture my life without you now, in whatever capacity.
Oh. क्या बोलते हो कोरियन
Hi, please. That nibba nibbi thing.
ये मुझे नहीं पता, ये तो मैंने देखा है बच्चों करते हुए, मुझे नहीं पता. How old have we become?
You tell me. So now these are my good things, and this is what marriage is
So,
and has
my
been
question
for me.
was to you. So I'm supposed to answer now. One thing I expected and one thing that was different. Oh, so I also have to answer now. It's a good question. I should have also thought about this.
You
before
should
we
have,
put it in
considering
the
you
run
made the
order.
run order.
I did not make the run order. I showed you the run order also. Okay, what did I expect it to be and what is different? Keep this on. This is me thinking, or I'm genuinely thinking. Don't cut
Then
this.
we'll put that few moments later.
When we got married, what was different was I thought I'm in a creative profession. My thing is always going to be up and down.
You
At
have
least,
to talk about marriage,
मैं marriage
not
की
our
बात कर-
careers.
अरे careers form part of marriage ना.
Are you career is like a chotu part of marriage?
Career is a big part of marriage, bro. You
You
can't be
married
fucking.
me because of my stable job.
I'm not saying I have married you. I'm not saying I married you because of stable job. I'm saying what was
तुमने
I?
मैरिज का क्या तुमने क्यों शादी करी मुझसे गुरसिमरन क्या सोच के तुमने
Because I
शादी
loved
करी?
you. That was the different question. That's the easy answer.
fine.
The
कुछ भी
point is
बोल
not that. The question is, the segment question is, what was expectation and what was different.
Okay.
So I thought career-wise, you will be more stable because I am तो in a creative profession. Who knows कल habitat टूट जाए, कल जेल चले जाए, कुछ पता नहीं. तो हम तो उस profession में थे. With you, I was like, okay, one of us will be stable. So what was different for me is when you also decided and said, मुझे भी actor बनना है और मेरे को भी unpredictable job में जाना है. अब हम दोनों की फटी पड़ी गई. That was new. That has been.
That is still new for you.
That is still new for me. And
But that's
both,
so cool that you've been supportive of that. You know.
You
my
also. I have
thing.
had enough.
And this is what I see in like my other friends, especially the people who are not in the industry, who are not married. That's why I think you're a unicorn, is because
Oh my God! Stop!
women want, when they are now getting married, and if they're like of our age, they don't want to marry someone who's not very financially stable. It's like
Are you telling me you're okay to be married to a broke person? Is that
you,
is-
not anyone else. Because I feel it's the character of the person that matters more than his bank balance. Because
this is seeming
because bank
like-
balance is something which is so like unpredictable. That
This
time
is
you had
seeming
money,
like-
now maybe you don't. I had money, now I don't. But why are we still together? It's because of your character. and
Guys,
because
if
you're
any-
kind, generous, unicorn, and all those things. That's what matters the
Guys,
most.
if anybody wants to leave a super chat of 200-300 rupees or whatever to help both our bank balances, this is sounding like this podcast is
हम
sounding
गरीब
like
हैं।
an appeal
For money.
for people.
Yeah,
कि-
please donate.
I can't believe you just.
What?
How are you saying कि you are? एक तो एक जगह रख वहाँ माइक पड़ा हुआ यहाँ
गर्मी लग रही है यार, गर्मी लग रही है.
यहाँ से बात कर रही है. एक जगह टिक के बैठ, माइक लगाया हुआ है इतना महंगा खरीद के. साउंड वाले दादा भी कह रहे हैं कि क्या कर रहे हैं
What
ये
is
लोग.
it? This is ADHD or what is it? This thing of just wanting to move.
This is called-
This is called being
nothing else.
Ranveer
This-
Singh's sister.
इसको तुम डिजीज मत बोलो, ठीक है? That is a legit.
Don't normalize
This is a legit disease. My point is, don't make it seem like what you have essentially told me is you have heart of gold, even though you are garib. That's why I still like you. That is plot of 70s Bollywood pictures कि मैं
तो
करिश्मा
तेरा भी
कपूर
तो
हूँ
वही आंसर है ना? तूने भी तो वही बोला ना
कि तुम गरीब हो और हार्ट ऑफ गोल्ड है, इसलिए मैं तुम्हारे
कि
साथ
तूने उस वक्त सोचा था कि मैं स्टेबल हूँ और अब मैं नहीं हूँ स्टेबल. तो your answer is the same. You're
but
still
this
with
was,
me.
but that was a
Even though
part. That was not my main thing.
What is the main thing then?
Main thing is love.
What were you expecting? Love, and you still have love. What?
On that note, we should shut the fuck up. This was supposed to be a 20-minute episode.
But that's just how we talk. Nice.
जो तुमने अपने आप को स्टार्टिंग में क्लैप्स दे दिया था. Good job on episode 1. Okay, that was episode 1, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. In the next episode, we're going to be doing some segments. We're going to be talking about other subject matter. I think this was enough to now let people know where we are at,
Yeah.
where we have been, where we are intending on going and shit like that. So now that you have context, I think when they tune in, they will have a better this thing. And yeah, thank you for tuning in to साथ में.
Please follow Gursimran's Instagram for updates on his shows. that's also one of the reasons why we want to do this, so people get to know about your
okay.
shows.
Okay. And her Instagram
Nutrition page.
for Banale.
बनाऊंगी.
Banale page. तो follow क्या करेंगे वो? ठीक है, तब तक हम बना लेते हैं. Okay, bye. Wave.
Not awkward at all. Who are we waving at?
Audience. The 10 people who are tuning in.
soulmate.
खत्म, कट कर.
Make me soulmate.